Hello everyone! I am here to teach you how to put your resource pack on your server. Mabilis lang to Madali lang tong gawin. Don't worry. Also, ang gagamitin nating server is Aternos, guys. Ito na, open na natin. Punta kayo doon sa server na gagamitin yung paglalagyan ng resource pack or mods, guys. Ay, mali, sorry. Yung our server ang gagamitin. Yan yung content lang. Okay. After that, i-open nyo yung server naman sa baba. Ayun. Pindutin nyo yung files. Pag na-open na yan, punta naman kayo sa may pack. Ayun o, packs. Diyan natin ilalagay yung file ng natin. Resource pack. After nyan, ang tagal, maglalag pa ako. Alright. Pinutin yung upload, tas yung files. Para may upload na natin ng ating gagamitin sa resource pack. Yan. Hanapin nyo yung resource pack na gagamitin nyo sa files, guys. Ang gagamitin nating file is yung action and stuff. Yan. Medyo matagal to. Aantayin nyo pa yan matapos. Antayin nyo pa yan matapos bago yan okay na. At ayun na, tapos na ma-download. Ganun lang kadali, guys. Easy and fast. That's all lang, guys. Ganito itsura niyan, magiging itsura. Katulad ng sa intro ko, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. And just support me, guys, if gusto niyo. Thank you so much. Alam nyo, thank you sa mga supporta niyo, guys. Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, everyone.